Hi, this is my this is my work for English. Real coach introduction. If you are one of those who likes to walk, enjoy nature and bite in beautiful waters, this destination is for you. The Mercocho River, located in San Francisco, Antioquia, have beautiful nature reserve which you can enjoy and test your cycle resistance. Enjoy delicious meals with the option for lodging or camping. Duration of the trip. Duration of the trip will be 3 days with 2 nights, which will be distributed as follows. One day number of the arrival will be the assignment of the lodging that the tourist wants, either camping or room. Food at the first day safety and privation indication will be given. Identification of the areas and bathing in the river. On the second day you will be take a walk to the next place of the river that is 3 hours one way and 3 hours back. When you open arrival, there will be food and your nature. You have the option of returning the same day of down there, and on the third day, the tourist can do whatever who wants to go the place he wants and finally return their home. Means of transportation. The means of transportation that can be used to the trip and the following. To get to the reserve, you can get their ATV motorcycle or your own car, and you can get the reserve when you have two options, or pay a horse to get to the hotel or walk 3 hours. The second one is to take a bus at the terminal, go to San Francisco, there pay for the individuals who takes you to reserve, and once there, you have the option again to pay the horse or walk. Activities to do. The activities depend on the creativity of the tourist himself. This is like enjoying nature. The crystal clear river and hiking climbing is also included according to taste. That is why 3 days is a long time because it's the same every day. If the person wishes to explore the mountain, this is and their own risk. Place to stay. You can stay in San Francisco, in Cocorna, in Mercocho, or camp in the highest part of the mountain. Typical foods. The traditional meals of this place are similar of those of the city of Medellin. There is not much variety, but you can enjoy some delicious paisanage, and there are delicious the paisa tray, fish, heated pears, hot sauce, if you do wild frying or for drink, and one or another natural juice. Cost. The cost has as follow. If this is a sunny day, this is worth seven, 8,000 per person. This is a morning. This is 18,000 per person with the right to the breakfast and lunch. If you are going to stay more days, this is 16,000 per day. This is all. Thank you.